आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, in this question we need to prove that these lines, line 1, line 2, line 3 and line 4 forms a rhombus. Now let's rewrite it. So we have line 1 as root 3x plus y equals to 0. Line 2 as root 3y plus x equals to 0. Line 3 as root 3x plus y equals to 1. Line 4 as root 3y plus x equals to 1. Now if you see, then line 1 and line 3 are parallel lines. Similarly, line 2 and line 4 are parallel lines. So what is the condition of parallel line? Let me tell you. If we have a line like ax plus by plus c1 equals to 0 and I need to find a line parallel to it, then I need to make the x and y coefficients equal as same as line 1. So the component of x and y will be similar in case of parallel lines. The difference is only in the constant terms. So if you observe, line 1 and line 3 have same x and y component, hence these are parallel lines, and so as to line 2 and line 4. So we have two parallel lines here. We have two parallel lines here like this. This is my line 1 which is parallel to this line 2, right? Then we have line 3 and we have line 4. So let's suppose this is my L1 and L1 is parallel to L3. Similarly, this is my L2 and L2 is parallel to L4. Now let's locate the point A, B, C, D. So what we have, if we solve line 1 with line 2, we'll get the coordinate of B, right? So let's solve line 1 and line 2. So for line 1 we have y as minus root 3x. If you put the value of y in this, you will get minus 3x plus x equals to 0, which gives you x equals to 0 and y equals to 0. Hence this point is 0, 0. Now if you solve line 1 and line 4, you will get the coordinate of A. So from line 1 I can say y is equals to minus root 3x. If I put the value of y in line 4, I'll get minus 3x plus x equals to 1. Then the value of x is minus 2x equals to 1 and the value of x is minus 1 by 2. And value of y is root 3 by 2. So the coordinates of point A is minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. Now when we solve line 2 with line 3, then we'll get the coordinate of C, right? So the value of x from line 2 is x equals to minus root 3y, right? Now if I put the value of x in line 3, I'll get minus 3y plus y equals to 1 and the value of y is minus 1 by 2 and the value of x is root 3 by 2. So the point says root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now if you solve line 3 and line 4, now line 3 is what? Root 3x plus y equals to 1 and line 4 is what? Root 3y plus x equals to 1. Now let's multiply line 4 by root 3. We'll have root 3x plus 3y equals to root 3. Now if you solve this, you will get, if you subtract it, you will get 2y equals to root 3 minus 1 and the value of y is root 3 minus 1 by 2 and the value of x is root 3x equals to 1 minus y, that is root 3 minus 1 by 2. If you solve it further, you will get root 3x equals to 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2. So finally we have root 3x as 3 minus root 3 by 2. If we take root 3 common, we have root 3 minus 1 by 2 and root 3 will get cancelled out and the value of x will be root 3 minus 1 by 2. root 3 minus 1 by 2. So the coordinates of D is root 3 minus 1 by 2 and root 3 minus 1 by 2. Now we need to prove that this forms a rhombus. So for this, let's find out the distance between point A and point B. So distance between point A and point B, by using distance formula, I can say this is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 and it's under root, and we have 4 by 4, that is 1. Now let's find distance between BC, right? So on calculating the distance between BC, you will get root 3 by 2 square and 1 by 2 square. That is again 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and it's under root, and we have it as 1. Now let's find CD, distance between CD. So if you solve it, you will get root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Then again it will be 1 by 2 square plus and root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Then root 3 by 2 square, that is 3 by 4 and it's under root. So we have CD as 4 by 4 and it's under root, and that equals to 1. Now for AD, if you solve for AD, again you will get root 3 by 2 square, that is 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 and it's under root, and again the distance is same. Now we have two parallel lines. We can say AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to AD, and AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. Hence it forms a rhombus, and this we need to prove. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।